Hello, namaste to each and everyone watching my vlog right now. So today we'll be going to Amah. Alright, so there we go. Lion Rock Country Park. So that's where you're gonna start your hike from. And unfortunately, it's raining right now. So almost after 45 minutes, we waited for the rain to stop, and finally it has stopped. The weather looks good. So yeah, there we go to our destination. It's kind of tiring to vlog when you go for a hike because you need to stretch your hand just to get the entire wide shot, and then have to keep like changing my hand from left to right, right to left, because the camera is heavy as well with that lens and a mic too. Even the old man behind me is doing a hike with us. What's your excuse? Stop giving excuses. That's the worst thing you can do in your life. The water is so cold. Not like so cold, it's like cold. But this is the best feeling ever. And the place we're going to is called Amah. There's a behind the story about why the rock has name been that name. This kind of a good story. I'm gonna tell you guys. Story time. So the rock behind me is called Amah, and there's a story behind the rock as well. So what people say about the rock is, many years ago there used to be a loyal wife, and she had a husband, I think he's a fisherman or something, and he went for fishing or something, right? And then he never came back. And she used to come here every day, every night, with her baby on her back and wait for him. So that's the story. And it looks like a mom carrying a baby as well. So that's the meaning, that's the story about this rock, basically. And the view. So our plan was to come to here and go back again, but we might go to Lion Rock. So Lion Rock is one of the, I guess, one of the biggest rock or something, like biggest country park in Hong Kong. I won't say biggest, but like it's quite big. And yeah, so from here we're gonna go to Lion Rock, which is around here. It's gonna take almost like an hour. So from the starting point, to here, it took us like 40 minutes, right? Almost like half an hour. So if you guys are not like into hiking and all the stuff, but like you really want to go for somewhere a bit far or green, then this is a good place, because 30 minutes to come here, 10 minutes rest, go back again. It's gonna take like almost like an hour, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna that way. And look at this. plastic chair. Chanhai. Chanhaya. Alright, so finally we are here at Lion Rock, and what's next? We have no idea about it. We're gonna figure that soon. So this is how Lion Rock looks like. It's stunning. So today we are here at the top of Lion Rock, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be lit. By the way, the view is like this. So we almost gonna finish our hike now, and on our way to Satin Pass, that's how we say it. On the way, the view is like so good. 1, 2, 3. So this is the finish line. Yes!
Ouch!
We did it.